Just a quick shot of this parking garage under construction with a load of materials going all the way up, and if it falls it's going to crash right in front of us on the street, and hopefully it doesn't fall because it's coming closer and closer. And not sure if it's a parking garage or a apartment building. Okay, here we go up the street, up the hill to the Egyptian temple, which is right up in this direction, up this, in this park, up this hill. Haven't eaten in a long time, so we're looking for a place to have a snack, and that might be, oh, here's the stairs going up to the park where the Egyptian temple is, so that was not too bad. However, this store across the street sells fire extinguishers, fireman accessories like helmets and suits, fire suits, and backpacks containing firefighting equipment. So that's not a place to get a snack. So here we go, up to the Egyptian temple. Here we go, up to the Egyptian temple. Up these steep, harrowing steps, which are hopefully the final leg of our exhausting journey this afternoon. Slowly making our way up the steps. Holy cow. Really need a bite to eat right now. Get some extra energy. But we're gonna go to the Egyptian temple anyway. And hopefully, maybe somebody up here will be selling snacks that we can offer to Ra, the sun god of Egypt. I think his name was Ra. Definitely gonna have to stop for a drink of water at the top of these steps. Woo! Oh no, more steps. Okay, here's the road to drive up to the Egyptian temple, but we're not there yet. We're still walking. Actually, this might be shorter. Let's try this way.
Okay.
This might be a little bit shorter, more direct possibly. Definitely going to have an interesting view of part of Madrid. So we'll see you at the top. Okay, still an additional set of steps. So we've come up probably about 1,000 feet in elevation, believe it or not. Way down there in the distance is the top of that train station where we just left. Maybe not 1,000 feet, but certainly 500. So we've come up, this is our fourth set of steps to get up to the Egyptian temple, and hopefully this is the last set of steps, and we're going to be there in just a few minutes, and we're going to take the sunny route. Woo! But first let's take a break for water, and then we'll zigzag our way through this park to find the Egyptian temple, which probably is right over there where all those people are. Right over there in the distance. Okay, see you over there. We'll get some photography shots of the view from over in this corner. Okay, Holistic Travel Guy here. We made it all the way to the top of this mountain overlooking Madrid, and we are at the Egyptian temple. And the Egyptian temple is a very beautiful sacred space, and there's the front entrance to the temple right there where the guard is. And here's the line for the temple. It looks like a short line, but it's actually not moving very quickly. As 2 or 3 people come out, actually we've seen 10 people come out now, and there hasn't been anybody allowed to go in yet. So we're just gonna meander past the temple over to this beautiful view over here at the end of the park. It looks north of Madrid, and I believe we'll be able to see some mountains off in the distance and some other views of Madrid and the rest of Spain. We'll see when we get over there. Not sure if we're going to get good sound with this wind. See if we get any wind noise here. Might put in the external microphone and see if that helps a little bit. Let's do that. We'll plug in the external mic while we're walking, while we're filming, because the wind is getting pretty intense right now. So here comes the external mic starting right now. And there we are. Now we're on external mic with a little foam cover on it, and hopefully that'll muffle the wind noise while we are now behind the Egyptian temple, still walking through the park over to this overlook vista to see other parts of Madrid. Not sure how our sound quality is going to come out. We may have to edit and dub music over this video. Over to the south you can see the Royal Palace where we were earlier today. And this is heading west in West Madrid, and there are actually mountains in the distance over there up to the north. Not sure how those are going to come out in this video, but there are some small mountains out there. I think I might even be able to see some snow on the top of the center mountain. And this is the top of the Principe Pio train station where we were earlier. We're about 500 feet elevation above that area now. We walked up this very steep hill up those set of steps earlier. The wind is really howling now up here on top of the mountain. The gusts are about 30 miles per hour, maybe a little bit more. So we're not sure of the sound quality, but that's pretty much it for this area of Madrid, up on top of the park containing the Egyptian temple, right over there.